Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. It's time to get an engine into the Born Free 16 build. Stick around. So we are at the point where we need to get an engine into this frame so that we can continue manufacturing things like foot pegs and mounts and different things like that. So today's agenda is going to be getting that engine into this frame. Now, if you've been following along with the process, you know that we are building a motorcycle for Born Free 16. This motorcycle is titled Ultor, which is Latin for the Punisher. You've seen us build the Judge, you've seen us build the Jury, now we're building the Punisher. So, excited about that. We've got to gather up all of the hardware, the engine plates and everything to get that engine ready to go in there. So let's go dig out some stuff. So going off of our schematic, we were able to collect up all of the hardware that we need to get that engine into this frame. Luckily, we have a lot of that stuff on hand because we do a lot of these old rigid pre-unit Triumphs. Next thing you're asking yourself, what's going on with the cloth over the things? Those are secrets, and some of those secrets have been revealed on prior videos. So if you haven't watched those other videos, make sure you jump back, check them out. But we don't want to show everything we got going on this build because it is a competition, and I know probably a few of the viewers are guys who are building bikes for the show also. So to keep it all fair, love and war, we're just gonna cover up some cool stuff. So, being said, that engine that we are using in this is just a mock-up engine. It is not the engine that is going to be going in here, but it is a usable engine that we could do all of our mounts and everything based off of. So, without further ado, let's go grab that engine and get it into the frame so that we can start putting these plates and hardware all together on Ultor. Let's get back to work. All right, engine all up in there. Now we can work on things like exhaust, tanks, make sure that we have the correct clearance, intakes, foot pegs, all of those things, those little essential items that it takes to build a motorcycle. But I have to be really honest, it's probably one of the most difficult things is doing a build series on this motorcycle, trying to keep all those little things secrets. So what to do next without giving away my ideas? I don't know, I'm gonna have to stew on that a little bit, but I do have a good working bones right now. So I think maybe that might wrap up this video. I know it's short and sweet today, but I'm gonna have to process through this sequence of how to do this, but keep you guys all informed. Obviously, everything is going to be revealed in the end, so I am recording that content as I do these things. I just will not be releasing those videos until we are further along into the process. With that being said, I got a lot of work to do, so we're gonna wrap up the video today. Thank you guys for hanging out, even though it was just a little bit of time. So, with that, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.